Truly Free Home's unscented softening rinse works differently than conventional fabric softeners. Instead of coating your clothes in harmful chemicals that weigh fabric down and trap odors, our plant-based, non-toxic formula softens your washer's water, so you can enjoy super soft clothes and towels, reduce static cling, and decrease drying time without increasing your toxic load. Your first order comes with a forever jug. To get started, simply fill your jug with hot water up to the shoulder. Next, add the contents of your softening rinse refill. Close the jug tightly and shake it up. To run a load of laundry, fill the jug's cap with the right amount of rinse for your machine. Add softening rinse to the softener compartment or the drum during the rinse cycle. Be sure to add softening rinse refills to your next Truly Free Home shipment. The more items in your box, the more you save.